Afternoon, it's Alex from Lift Off and Travel, and I'm here today with
Brent.
and we're staying today in Canary Wharf at
Marriott, Canary Wharf.
Let's go take a look.
Yes.
Based on the title of the video, no guesses what chain this is part of. When we arrived, there were two members of the team on the reception, and for some reason this took over 10 minutes despite us being next in the queue. It can be chaotic because there is no obvious space to queue. Whilst we waited though, we took advantage of this rather nice drink. Enjoying the video? Why not subscribe and like below? It takes less than a second and it's a really huge help to our channel. Also, by doing so, you could be in chance to receive the mini ticket from our travels once we hit 1,000 subscribers. The full details will be released once we hit 1,000. On your right is the bathroom, which is perfectly nice but a bit on the dated side. The amenities are really lovely and the water pressure was good. It's nice to see a hotel with a bathtub. Opposite are plenty of cupboards with a room safe, ironing board and a suitcase stand. Next to this is the coffee station. Tea can be found over on the desk, but there is a fridge below with complimentary water. The full description for the room, type and price can all be found below in the description. This isn't our first time here, and for the size, we think this is a pretty good place to stay. Here is a lovely glass bottle of complimentary water, as well as a hidden drawer with coffee and teas. At the desk, you will find 2 UK plug sockets and 2 USB ports. That's quite a nice pen though, I'll take that. Over by the bed are these really quite stunning lamps, which I wish I had in our house. Another bottle of complimentary water and further plug and USB sockets. This chaise lounge is a great place to chill while taking in the view. Speaking of which, this is a great view. However, we were a little disappointed they told us this was an upgrade. This is the same room we had previously, but we get to see more of the water. We're heading out for some food in Canary Wharf. There is also a restaurant on site at the hotel, but we didn't eat here. Canary Wharf is a great destination for shopping, food, drinks, and the breathtaking architecture. See you in the morning. That was a really well rested sleep in a nice comfortable king size bed. We have plans in London today, so before we check out, we'll head to the basement to check out the gym. Apparently there's a sauna, but we weren't able to find this. That was our stay at the Marriott Canary Wharf. The checkout was much shorter with only 1 minute wait. We really like the hotel because we find Canary Wharf exciting. The rooms are a good starting size and it's well connected. We hope you enjoyed the review. If so, please subscribe and like below. Until next time, we have a boat to catch.